Hello everyone, I am Akinola Israel, the Chief Operating Officer at Culture Technology. I want to share with you our missions and what sets Culture apart in the world of cryptocurrency. Our mission at Culture is to make cryptocurrency available to everyone. We believe that in this digital age, financial inclusion is a fundamental right of every individual, and we understand this plight. And we at Culture, we are committed to making every individual take control of their financial future. We understand that the world of cryptocurrency can be complex and daunting. That is where Culture comes in as a helping out to provide solutions to all complexity and make your trading so undaunted. We offer a user-friendly platform where you convert your crypto to cash, and you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and 50 other coins of your choice. And you get price notification on any review in price and change in price. You can use candlestick charts to monitor your trade and get insight on market fluctuations and all. But what truly sets us apart? First, you enjoy instant sign-ups and unlimited withdrawals with no middlemen. We believe that your assets should always be within your reach, and we make that possible. Secondly, you have access to personalized customer support. Our support team is here to help you anytime and any day, and also give you guidelines in your crypto journey. We are not just a platform, we are your partner in gaining financial freedom and also in your cryptocurrency journey. And finally, you can actually manage your assets 24/7 and get trading opportunities. We put the power of crypto in your hand. At Culture, we are not just a crypto hub. We are your partners and a gateway to your financial stability and success. We will shape a future where crypto is for everyone. Thank you for being part of the Culture community. Culture, a way of life.